Hello, welcome to the Crick AI channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and activate notifications. Captain America. With a mighty shield and a loyal heart. Here comes Captain Dog America. Joker. When the Joker's laugh meets a dog's innocence, even fear looks adorable. Iron Man. In the Iron Man suit, this dog is all set to save the world. Don't blink, the wildest transformation is coming next. Spider-Man. Swinging through the city, it's your friendly neighborhood spider dog. Venom. We are Venom, and we're hungry for treats. Thanos. With one snap, half the bones are gone. Hulk. Big, green, and unstoppable. Don't make this pup angry. Thor. The god of thunder, armed with his mighty chew hammer. Doctor Strange. Master of the mystic arts and the treats dimension. Wolverine. Sharp claws, sharp senses. Meet Dog Vereen. Loki. The god of mischief, but with the heart of a loyal dog. Superman. Faster than a speeding fetch, it's Superdog. Which superhero dog stole your heart? Comment your favorite.